Welcome to our channel Learn English Grammar. Please like, share and subscribe. Concept of has, have and had. Concept of has. When we talk about one person, place, animal or thing's owns, we use has. For examples, Daisy has a teddy bear. We use has with he, she, it. Like he has, Danny has, the dog has, she has, it has, the school has. Concept of have. When we talk about more than one person, place, animals or things owns, we use have. For examples, we have a pet. We use have with I, you, we, they. Like we have, Dan and Kim have, hospitals have, they have, cats have. Worksheet. First you will try by your own, then reply in the comment box and check the answers with this video. Question 1. Fill in the blanks with has or have. A. An elephant has. B. My parents have. C. Birds have. D. The teacher has. E. Tom has. F. The children have. G. The people have. H. Peacocks have. Next worksheet, as I tell you in first worksheet, you will try by own, then comment in the comment box, then check the answers with the video. Let's start this worksheet also. Question 1. Complete the sentences with has or have. A. I have a brother. B. You have a nice pen. C. They have a red car. D. The sky has many stars. E. The girls have long hair. F. A butterfly has wings. G. A bicycle has 2 wheels. H. Peacocks have colorful feathers. Concept of had. When we talk about a time before now, we use had. We use had for one or more than one person, place, animal or thing. We use had, for example, they had a car last year. Worksheet. Question 3. First you will try by your own, reply in the comment box and check the answer from this video. Question 3. Choose the correct word and underline it. A. She had a red coat last year. B. They have a big house where they live now. C. Rahim had a white tiger in his zoo when he lived in Africa. D. It had a bone between its jawline when it came to our house. Recap. Has. Has is used with he, she, it. Have. Have is used with it, I, you, we, they. When we talk about a time before now, When we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing, we use have. When we talk about one person, place, animal or thing's own,